Hello dreamers, welcome back to my channel. Want to know how I created this 3D effect? Great, first of all you need to Procreate. Then obviously we'll move to Dreams to create this magic. But let's see immediately how I did it, so I would say to start from Procreate. Let's start by creating a new canvas, something very big. We need to create the terrain, or rather the ground texture that you see below. See how fast it flows? Next step, I'm going to resize the canvas like this. I want it to be very long. Okay, like this. Now I rotate it in this direction and with this red color fill the canvas. Now I take one of my texture brushes and with the black color I fill the layer. Okay, now we can go to Dreams for animations. This is also my first video with iOS 26. What do you think? I think it will take some time to get used to, especially for managing Windows. It's very useful to work with multiple open applications, but moving everything with your fingers I think will take some practice. Certainly, with the use of keyboard, things could be faster. Let's get back to us. I created a new project on Dreams where I'm going to import the element I drew on Procreate. I'm going to resize this level first and place it here. Holding down, I move it up and I resize it a bit so that the edges are closed. Next step, I'm going to the end of the timeline. In my case, I gave the project a duration of 10 seconds so as not to make it too long. I set a keyframe with Move and Scale tool and move the layer down. More or less here. Vamos! To make sure the movement is correct, I delete the coordinate on the x-axis. Set trend curve to linear. And here is the result. Obviously you can decide how fast to make your animation, based on what you need. To make you understand better, today I make a movement that is not too fast. Now you'll say, where's the magic in all this? Don't worry dreamers, let's see what we can do. After all, I'm not a wizard. For now I'm going to export the project and save it among my videos. Okay, now let's see the next step. I'm going to import the video I just made back here on Dreams. I move it to the beginning of the timeline. And here guys, the magic is done. I'm joking, but it will be very simple from here on. I just need to add a keyframe with the distortion tool and change the shape of the video directly by putting it in perspective. If you want a perfect horizon line, help you with the references by holding down while moving the vertices. I delete this, okay. And here is this fantastic 3D motion effect. Imagine all the ways you can use this effect. For example, by creating a flight just above the water, as in this case. We can also move the vertices of the video to get lateral movement. Rotate the vertices counterclockwise and now I'm going to rearrange them in perspective. Very, very, very useful system. What do you think? It will help you a lot if you want to create a parallax effect. If you want to create this fantastic 3D effect on Dreams, all you have to do is try and unleash your imagination. Write in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching and